Aloha, friends and family. This is OGB coming to you from the wilderness today. And I've got a special piece about the Wilderness Bowl. So those of you that know, and those that don't, let it be known. Hope you guys enjoy. Help me keep bringing this. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Much love.
Call me back. Let me get the message. What do we got? Wildo party Friday night. That's our agenda as of right now. And I don't know. Pretty open schedule, like I said. So let's dance. Call me up. Just skate.
What's your name, homie?
Chris.
Chris.
Yeah.
How long you been living here, Chris?
I lived there for a year, but now I moved away. I live down the street. But
How long has this thing been here?
Pool's been here 2 years, as of September 18th, this Wednesday.
This is like an anniversary party, basically,
It's the
right?
second anniversary party of this monstrosity.
Beautiful.
We're stoked. We got 2 years. We'll be lucky if we get another 5, man.
So what was the deal? What made this happen?
Basically, this place is a total junkie flop pad when everybody moved in. Our buddy Rick moved in, started cleaning it out. All this fence wasn't here. Everything was open to the freeway. People that lived here before were total drug addicts and just garbage bags piled as high as your head everywhere, all over the backyard.
Gnarly derelicts.
Yeah, you used to have to step down into the yard. That's how much dirt we had put in to build up to this thing. Because when we started digging it, we hit the water table about 10 feet down. And it started flooding up, so we had to put all the dirt back in and then buy cinder blocks and start building it back up. So
Last soldier.
all the dirt that got dug out of the bowl got put around the edges and built it up.
Right.
The decks probably stand about 3 feet high. And it was just gnarly, man. Garage door place down the street, we raided them. You know, those guys did a kick-ass good job.
So how long did it take to build this thing?
About a little over a year, man. It's a lot of work. Those guys started digging it by hand, by shovel. It was all dug by hand, so
Wow,
it
that's
would have been a lot
amazing.
quicker. But rebar was all given, donated by Carts and those guys from Orange County. Collected the money by just throwing all our change in giant buckets, and these guys made surfboards and sold them super cheap at local surf shops for like $250 each, and got up to $5 grand and found this guy out of Bakersfield that was willing to come down and do it under the table. So he came down and took a day just shooting it and pouring it. Coping came from different pools around LA that had been filled in and destroyed. Yeah, it's a mix, man. There's a few different pools that we got them off of. You know, without trying to ruin anybody's scene, just trying to finding pools that had already been destroyed. But, you know, some of it was custom made. That's the white blocks are the custom made stuff, you know. Those are the ones that take the heaviest beating because they're just brand new, but man, there's just a lot of men out, you know, just getting back there Saturdays and bending steel and
Thank you for the words.
hey, no sweat, man, anytime.